Hello everyone, my name is Warren Marin, and today let's take a look at the 2015 Spider-Man Glass Cooler. Today I'm going to get a forward and forward to close. We'll start the engine, shut it off, go to the forward seatbelts, and so I show you inside, we'll stay outside. And so, without further ado, square start up, get a running. Beep! Beep! I see the was half remote start. Shut up, let's try. It's the smallest key as this system. Key for your floppy pocket. It has push button and press the lock. Beep! Both patch your side and patch your driver and unlock. Two-tone cloth interior. 10 round interior. Right. Also for the push button ignition, so push button brake and hit the button start. No, 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 no. Fire's put up. Beep beep. It's got a forward wrap steering wheel. Very nice. Support with steers and boom display and Spider-Man black and red. It says once beyond the match mission. No. Yeah. And so we're going to flip on the headlights. Check out steering, shall we? Also, we have a key on the fob. This Rastce petition key fob. No, 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 no. Ooh, LT headlamps. Ooh, 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 one more again. Spider-Man. Now I'm going to pop the head. No. It's a 3.9 turbo diesel V6. Your power windows. It's not power windows. Power doors. Power mirrors broke. Of course, see how it sounds. Very nice. Oop. You ready to go? See this little volume. Your volume controls down here, and there's another one's trending. Help. Say the station name for number. You can monitor this. Say your calling document and real Spider-Man, Quasar, or Jeep, or Dodge, or Ram. You can every time release by pressing the voice button. Choice of the after trees. So you can save 5 bucks to start Charles and May. So you change the sum to your keypad just as this. Cancel. You driver info system. It's right down here. Very nice. Open the trunk. Let's get the key fob. Nope. Okay. No. Right here. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead and shut it up. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the If tour of the 2015 Spider-Man Crosses Cool. Stay next time, one for the wild for careful. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.